So hello everyone, I'm Shema from TesterYou. Thank you to everyone watching us on YouTube and listening to our podcast. Our guest today is Kyriaki Vadeska. Welcome again. Could you introduce yourself and your field of work?
Hi, I'm Kyriaki. I've been a software engineer in Test. I'm working in QA the last almost 10 years. And that's it from our side.
Yeah, and the section of the work is gaming or?
Currently, I'm working in Light & Wonder, and it's a gaming company. It provides casino solutions to providers.
Okay, perfect. How does your interest started to this section?
To be honest, it started like when I was a child. I was, I think, 10 or 12 when I started coding with Pascal. And that was, the first moment that I discovered that I like all this problem-solving context. When I was really close to make the decision of the studies, I was between two fields to select. I was mostly wanted to choose computer science or translation and interpreting. But computer science won finally.
Perfect. Did you have any difficulties until now, and how did you overcome these challenges?
I think most of the difficulties were, at the beginning of the journey, because you are a junior engineer and nobody usually wants to hire someone that has no experience. Also, there is a big gap between the knowledge you have from the university and what the industry uses. So you see all those different frameworks, languages, tools, and everything, and you're not aware of them. So I think that was the most difficult part. After that, I think it got smoothly because you understand how to continuously learn, how to seek for mentorship and coaching from other people that have more experience from you, so then it gets more easier.
Okay, have you ever considered working in a different field?
No.
No? So you have fun. Perfect, this sounds very nice. But if you would, which industry could it be? Or you never made thoughts about it? You are so satisfied with this section. So, okay, perfect.
I can't imagine myself doing something completely different. So.
Oh yeah, that's nice. And what are the favorite and least favorite aspects of your job for you?
I think the favorite one is this nature of the job that you continuously have to face problems and solve them. So this is something that it's very satisfying for me to organize things and find solutions. Maybe the least interesting might be the limitation of the time and the pressure that sometimes we may have, and you have to do your tasks. They're well prepared and planned, but then reality arises and you don't have the time that you should. So that's the least favorite part.
How would you define an ideal work environment?
I think it's a balance of work life and tech growth. It's an environment that can provide both. So you have challenging technology and discover new things, but also respects your time and your personal time.
So does it align with your current workplace?
Yeah, currently I'm a light and wonder. I'm working for authentic gaming projects, and it's a really good combo because we are a new team. We set up the automation framework from the beginning, and we use, best practices, latest trend technologies like Playwright, but also, we have the work-life balance that is needed. So we have to be satisfied and, eager to work and do things.
All right. What is the team structure and workflow like in the testing side of your company? What measures are you taking to enhance the efficiency of these processes?
So we have both automation testers and manual testers, and we have, levels like test leads or senior testers that provide guidance and mentorship to other people. And there is a collaborative approach with close integration between, testing teams and development teams or product teams, etc. The workflow is the basic. We have an agile approach. We do the sprints. We have the requirement analysis and the test and design and planning. We execute the test even if it's manual or automation. And then we have the defect tracking and the reporting. Regarding the measures to, make the process better is the automation adoption that we give it a priority to it, so we can have, quick and repetitive testing tasks. The continuous learning approach that everyone is encouraged to stay updated and learn about new things and the latest technologies or methodologies. And we have some process refinement tasks where we may revisit the process and find any gaps or any space of improvement, etc. So in summary, I would say it is a well-organized flow and structure, and it's all about collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement.
All right. What criteria define a successful testing professional?
To be a really good tester, it's a combination of many things. You have to have technical skills. You have to have critical thinking and problem-solving approach. You need to have communication skills. You need to have time management skills. You need to adapt easy and quick. You need to be a team player and also have some leadership and initiative skills. You need to own your work. And, to have a mindset that it's growth-oriented and proactive. So it's a lot of things.
Yeah, that's true. So do you work remote or?
Currently, I'm in a hybrid model.
Okay. Okay. And how is it in Greece? Like, or your company? How many days are you in the company and how many days are you at home?
Currently, it's we go 3 days in the office and 2 days.
Okay, that's nice. What advice would you give to those who are interested in or just starting out in this industry?
First of all, don't be afraid to start. Don't be afraid to try new things or technologies that you haven't used before. It's part of the job. Most probably every time you change job, you need to learn about the new tech stack. Develop your technical skills. Create a portfolio that you can showcase to your interviews or potential co-workers. Always seek feedback and learn from people that have more experience, and embrace continuous learning. It's something that will save you.
Okay. What changes do you expect the industry to undergo in the coming years?
Yeah, I think that's not very easy to predict. There are many trends right now. First of all, AI and machine learning, how it will be integrated in testing. The shift left approach that, it's not very new, but it's something that's still ongoing. DevOps and continuous testing. We have virtual reality devices and how we will test them. User experience testing. So, also blockchain testing. We have many things that are coming. Yeah, so it's not very easy to predict how QA will be, but I think it will be dynamic and adaptive, and professionals will need to always stay informed because maybe we will have many changes in the future.
And I know your profile a little bit, like you are speaking at a conference, WeTest. You can talk about this as well if you want.
I am the organizer of WeTest.Athens. It's a software testing conference. We started on 2018. It's the first software testing conference that it's happening in Greece. It's happening this summer on June 7. We have speakers from all over the world, and we expect people from all over the world. It's a one-day event, and we're very happy to have such an event in Greece. The approach of the conference is to, offer a learning and networking event to people, but with a price that it's low and can give accessibility to all, even if your job pays for it or you are able to buy on your own.
I think our manager Barish was there.
Yeah.
I don't know if everywhere, if every year or.
It's every year.
Every year, yes. I think he was each year.
It's one of our favorite.
Yeah, I know that. He told me about that already. So we have also a conference, Live2Test. Are we going to see you this year?
Yeah, we support the conference every year, and we have many people joining from Greece.
Yes.
I think today, this year, it's remote only, correct? Or
yes, it's online. It's online.
Yeah.
Yes, we are happy to see you and everyone else. So I have a last question. It's like, if you had the opportunity to change something in your current industry, what would be the first thing you would change?
I would prioritize to invest more in training and provide more opportunities to beginners, to junior people with no experience. I think both are very crucial, and it will help all the professionals, not only the junior profiles, but the more seniors too.
So have you ever met some beginners at your company by your side, or how do they feel? How is it like? Are they afraid or?
It can be chaotic the first days because a tester needs to understand all the system, not something, very limited. So it can be very difficult for someone that hasn't that experience before. But it is achievable. So do not afraid of that.
Yes. Okay. Do you want to add something or talk about something else? Like these were my questions. And
no,
yes,
I'm good. Thank you for your time. I hope we can see you all in Athens. For
yes,
sure, we will see Baris. And thank you for
hopefully.
your time and having me in your podcast.
Thank you too. So we have come to the end of another wonderful conversation. Thank you very much for your experiences and perspectives in your field. So, dear listeners, we hope you found this episode interesting and enlightening. Until the next TesterYou Asks segment, take care.
Bye.
See you. Have a nice
Bye.
day. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Thanks.